In the sunny village of Ticklebrook, where the flowers smelled like lemon drops and the birds sang silly songs, lived a cheerful little donkey named Pippin. Pippin wasn't just any donkey, he was the village post donkey. Every morning he trotted from house to house with letters, parcels, and the occasional jelly tart tucked in his saddlebag. One day, as Pippin was delivering a parcel to Granny Puddlewisk, something shiny caught his eye by the well. It was a gold coin, gleaming, glinting, and humming ever so softly. "Ooh!" brayed Pippin. "Treasure!" But as soon as he picked it up with his teeth, poof, the world shimmered, and Pippin found himself standing in the middle of a mysterious golden meadow. "Where am I?" he asked. A talking butterfly fluttered by. "You've found the lost coin of Lucky Whirl. You've been chosen for an adventure." And what an adventure it was! First, Pippin had to race a mischievous wind over Sugarberry Hill to retrieve the coin that kept rolling away. Then he had to outsmart a riddle-loving frog who guarded the bridge of bouncy stones. Lastly, he helped a lonely dragon named Miltwig bake the world's biggest banana pie to unlock the coin's final magic. With each clever step and kind deed, the gold coin shone brighter. And finally, it whispered, "Your heart is full and your hooves are brave. Time to go home." Poof! Back in Ticklebrook, Pippin blinked. The coin was still there, now just a quiet souvenir in his saddlebag. But something had changed. He felt a little taller, a little braver, and a lot more magical. And from that day on, whenever villagers saw Pippin, they didn't just say, "Here comes the post donkey." They said, "There goes the donkey who had an adventure with a golden coin."